in your glass house, I'm outside. Looking in her big blue eyes. Did it just to hurt me? Cry, smiling through it all, yeah, that's my life. You're an idiot. Now I'm sure. Now I'm positive. I should warn her. Bet you think it's cheese. So kicking back on your couch, making eyes from across.
A few moments later.
To get you off, taking down her hair like, oh my god, taking off your shirt. I did that once or twice. No, I know.
Down, down.
But I think I like her. She's so fine.
Down, down.